day
come
3
and join
calming
me
the
and
mind.
Tracey as we do this together. And if you want to do this later, that's fine. It's up to you how you want to go about this. So sit tight and enjoy this video.
Hey guys, welcome to day 3 of the meditation challenge on YouDoYoga. Today's meditation is going to focus on intention setting. So go on and close your eyes, relax your shoulders, and sit up tall. Take a deep breath in through your nose and exhale slowly out of your mouth. Let's take a few more of that, just breathing in through the nose, allowing the breath to come in lightly. And as you exhale out of the mouth, continue to breathe lightly in and out through your nose, but keep your shoulders relaxed and feel the crown of your head rise all the way up towards the ceiling. Just for now, all you need to do is breathe in and out and stay focused in the moment. As I shared, this challenge today is focused on intention setting. And what I'd like for you to do is to select one simple word. A word that brings a sense of calmness and steadiness. A word that helps you to relax. I'll give you a couple of examples. It may be the word peace. It may be the word love. Whatever resonates with you. Start to breathing in and out and allow that breath to focus on your word. Continue to breathe in and exhale love. Breathe in, exhale peace. Maybe your word is joy, serenity, balance, whatever your word may be, allow yourself to breathe it in slowly. And each time you exhale, let it go. Allow that word to pour deep into your spine. Feel that word completely spiral around every inch of your body. From the tips of your toes, through your fingertips, and through the crown of your head. Feel that simple word pour deep inside of you and allow every inch of who you are to become that word. Happiness, openness, sincerity, whatever your word may be, let it become you fully and completely. Continue to allow the breath to travel in through your nose and very lightly out through your mouth. Keeping the spine straight, the crown of the head lifting, and your hips grounding into the mat, into your blanket, or wherever you're seated. Keeping the arms relaxed and the breath steady and smooth. staying focused on your word, staying present in the moment, breathing in, and exhale slowly, breathing out. Breathing in love, breathing in joy, breathing in balance and peace, and exhale, letting it go. Whatever your intention, whatever your selected word is for today, feel that move throughout your body, letting go of the stress and allowing that word to simply pour in. Allowing that word to become you. So we'll simply take a few more moments in silence and allowing your mind to focus on your word. Allowing yourself to become that vibration and sensation. Take a deep breath in through your nose. Exhale slowly out of your mouth. Bring your palms together, just let them rub one another. And then take your palms, place them over your eyes. Allow that warmth to slowly seep in. Exhale out of the mouth once again.